Let's do this. Single player. I guess normal. Select map. Would you like it to do the pizzeria, or would you like it to do it Henry's Hot Dogs? And then Benny's Burger Bar. I think I'm gonna do the burger one. I think I'm gonna, yeah. Okay. Whoa. Alright. So. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Alright. Oh. Let me just clean the wall real quick. What? Okay. Oh. I can. Oh. Okay. Okay, so. Do I have to. Where's the tickets and orders and stuff? Ooh, here's a recipe book. Okay. Okay. Burger bun top. Cooked. Okay. Cheeseburger. All this shit. Okay. There's three items. That's not too bad. But damn. $15 for a hamburger? $20 for I guess I am a one-armed cook. Okay. Let's check out what's going on here. Order food. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'll just go outside and smoke a cigarette, sorry. Do I have to like go over to the people or something? Ready to order. Hamburger. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hamburger. Hamburger. Bacon cheeseburger and a cheeseburger. Okay, 2 hamburgers, a bacon cheeseburger, and a cheeseburger. Dude, I am not ready for everybody, dude. I don't even know how to do this. Bun. Oh. Bun. Bun. Dropped on the floor. That's not okay. 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 Bun. I need 4 buns, dog. Okay. Alright then. No, not that one. That one, dog. Okay. Oh man, my hand be getting in the way of my stuff. Okay. This one right here. Oh no. Okay. Oh. You know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have gotten the meat. Where's the meat at? Where is the meat at? Do I have to order stuff to even get started? Okay. Man, this is difficult. It ain't what it's cracked up to be, you know what I'm saying? Alright, one gets bacon. Oh no! Oh no, I'm on fire! Pick it up! There we go. Sorry, bruh. Yeah, that was my fault. Will my hand burn if I sit there with it? Okay. Okay. Bro, what the fuck? Do I have to cut the cheese, dog? Cut the cheese. Are you kidding me right now? Oh man, dude. I'm drunk. Oh. Okay. Oh. Alright. Okay. So then you grab this. Dude, this is so difficult, bruh. Alright. Cause I gotta take people's orders and everything, dog. I know, I didn't order, I didn't do anything. I couldn't. I'm sorry, I suck at games. I guess. I suck! Dude, being a one-armed cook is so hard, bruh. Like, why? Why does it have to be that hard? Anyway. Thank you guys for watching. I hope everybody has a good day and good vibes. Please like and subscribe. I like to rhyme like that. My bad. But yeah, have a good day.